Hi, I'm Dave Reid. I'm a Show Thai practitioner, herbalist here in Corner Brook. I've been practicing in Corner Brook for a couple of years. I'm just opening a new facility, new clinic here in main level of Millbrook Mall. So we're very excited about that. I'm an herbalist. As a Show Thai practitioner, we focus mainly on nutritional herbs. So really all I'm giving people is food, concentrated forms of food. Using applied kinesiology, I can do some testing and figure out what their body needs. And we can usually narrow that down to a couple individual items that really seem to address the issues. I've had some great success here in the area, very pleased to say. I've built up a clientele which continue to grow, and we hope to keep it that way. In addition to being an herbalist, I'm an iridologist. Iridology is the science of reading the eye, the structure of the eye, the iris, which gives us information about what's happening in the body. We also focus a lot on sclerodology, which is the white of the eye, which again, this tells us what's happening with the body, what's telling us what's happening right now. I do some body reading. I also do muscle therapy, which is a process of resetting muscle groups and putting things mechanically back in place. So some of the other body reading methods that we use, reading the tongue. Again, reading the structures of the tongue tells us other information about the body. The teeth, same thing. Each tooth represents a different organ or gland. We sort of correlate those all together. If there's something happening in more than one area, we know that's something that we should focus in on. I recently had a client that I treated for cancer. In reading her, doing the reading, I could see under her tongue, in her hormone area specifically, that there was cancer there. She was quite surprised I was able to pick that up right away. Yeah, so one of the things, as an herbalist that I'm trained in and have done extensive additional training in is the use of cannabis and cannabis products. And I've had good success in using cannabis products in conjunction with my other herbs. They always work better together. In treating, various forms of pain, different illnesses, cancers, those sorts of things. One of the things that concerns me that I'm seeing here lately is the perception with people that they can just use product, they're going to go out and smoke cannabis and heal themselves. And it's very important that people understand it's about using the right product in the right way. A lot of people I got was just not getting answers from the medical institutions. They were frustrated, tired. They came in and we did some work with them, and it takes a little bit of time, but we get them there and things improve. Sometimes we can completely resolve things. Whether it's bowel issues, mental issues, physical, mechanical things. Things have hips out, necks out. Skin conditions, eye problems, tooth cancers, Parkinson's, very dramatic things. So, at the core of what we're doing is nutrition, really. The herbs that we give people are nutritional-based herbs. It's concentrated forms of food, right? And it's amazing what people's bodies can heal when you give it the right things, specifically.